Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to collect Skrill payments with Jotform. This is a fantastic way to accept secure online payments directly through your forms, whether you're selling products, collecting donations, or accepting custom payment amounts. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your form building and management happens. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page and click on My Workspace. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select My Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created and gives you access to create new ones. Now click the Create Form button in the upper left of the page. This will open up several options for starting your form. For our purpose, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to build exactly what you need without any preloaded templates. In the left panel, you'll see an option labeled Add Element. Click on it to access all available form elements. Navigate to the Payments tab, which contains all the payment integration options Jotform offers. In the search bar, type Skrill and click on it when it appears. This adds the Skrill payment element to your form. Next, click on the Payment Properties icon. In the right panel that opens, you'll see a yellow button. Click this button and you'll be prompted to type a connection name and your Skrill merchant email address. This email is crucial as it links your form directly to your Skrill account where payments will be received. After connecting your Skrill account, you need to choose a payment type from the drop-down menu. You'll see three options: Sell Products, User-Defined Amount, or Collect Donations. Select the one that matches your specific needs. Each option tailors the form to handle different types of transactions. Below that, select your currency from the Currency drop-down menu. For example, if you're operating in US dollars, select USD. This ensures all payments are processed in the correct currency for your business. If you selected Sell Products as your payment type, you'll need to add your products. Click the product list icon, then select the plus Add Product button. Here you can type in a product name, set the price, and add a description that explains what the customer is purchasing. You also have the option to make your products more appealing by adding images. Click on the image option, then select Upload File to choose product photos from your device. Clear, high-quality images help customers understand exactly what they're buying. Finally, click Preview Form to test how everything works. This allows you to see the form from your customer's perspective and make sure all the payment details are displaying correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up Skrill payment collection through Jotform, making it easy to receive payments directly from your forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.